Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV 1, and today I'm taking you for a full ride in 4K 60 on the Incredicoaster at Disney's California Adventure in the Pixar Pier area. We hope you enjoyed the video, and please remember to leave us a like and a comment, as well as subscribe and hit that notification bell to enable notifications every time we go live or have a new video. Also, be sure to follow us on social media. We're Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So, let's get started.
Yeah, because
We are lucky to have an absolutely beautiful California day to ride this, and this is my first time riding it, so I'll give you my impressions when we get to the end and let you know what I think, but I'm excited to see it. I rode it when it was California Screamin', and I have not ridden it since it was changed over to Incredicoaster, so it should be awesome.
For joining us as we launch the Incredicoaster. It seemed to be intelligence.
Yeah, it was a learning world. It was one tough cookie.
No, Jack.
Edna, keep your eye on Jack. The baby is gone. Edna?
Dash, go get it.
Hold on!
Well, that's all for now for this 4K 60 ride on the Incredicoaster here at Disney's California Adventure. We hope you enjoyed the video, and please remember to leave us a like and a comment, as well as subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already done so. Also, be sure to follow us on social media. We're Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And finally, please be sure to check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com, for the best and free Disney vacation planning advice. Go check out MickeyTravels.com to plan your next trip to Disney. And also, if you're thinking about moving to Central Florida to be closer to Walt Disney World, talk to Realtor Victor Naraki at CelebratingFlorida.com or Facebook.com/NarakiRealtor and tell him that Resort TV 1 sent you. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.